Hey guys, this is a 3D wall decor that I made using Dollar Tree items. I really love the way this turned out, and it's a floral arrangement that is perfect for the springtime. This was so easy to make and it's so inexpensive. I am so excited to share with you guys how I made this. Now let's go ahead and get started. Here are the items that I used. These are planters that I got from the Dollar Tree, and flowers. The gems were gotten from Walmart. And these are added decor from the Dollar Tree also. And to start off the project, I took the planters, as you can see here, and I cut it into two using a pair of scissors. I cut two so I can have 3 pieces. So I kept them aside. And this is the board that I cut from a foam board that I'm going to be using. Now here with the flowers, I'm just going to be detaching the main flowers from all the stems. And now I'm going to be placing the flowers to see how I want them to be arranged for the design. Starting with the longer ones. And I want to make sure that it's okay. And then I'm going to glue them down before I continue with the other flowers. If you're new to my channel, I'm so glad to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. The planter should be about 1.5 inches away from the bottom. And I didn't glue it down because that's not what I'm going to be using for this particular project. So here are the remaining flowers, and this is how I'm going to be arranging them. You can put your flowers into the planter with the stems. Now I didn't want to do that, but then you can do that if you like, using fluorofoams. I'm gonna keep adding all the flowers until I get to the fullness that I'm satisfied with. So you just keep on doing this, and the whole goal here is to make sure that the 3D effect still comes out when it's hanged on the wall. Because you're gonna be gluing the flowers down to the board, so you need to make sure that it still looks like a 3D that comes out of the wall when it's hanged on the wall. I'm using the planter as my guide, so that when the main one comes in, I will just glue it down and it will fit perfectly. So now I took 3 of the planters that we cut earlier and I spray painted it gold. This is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna be using the gems that I got from Walmart. And they're so easy to use because they're self-adhesive. And you're not gluing them one after the other. They're all like in a string, in a glue string. So this is how I'm going to be gluing them down all over the planter, leaving one line and gluing it to the next. Then you leave a line and glue it to the next line. And I'm going to be repeating the same format throughout for the entire planter. They look so beautiful. I kept them aside, and now I'm going to be taking the one I used engaging to make the marks on where I'm going to be gluing it down to make it easy when I'm going to be gluing down the planter onto the board. And this is what it looks like. And I used some of the gems at the corners, at the top. And I made 2 of the same floral arrangements, and I made 1 with pink flowers. I hang them using command strips. Now for these other items that I got from the Dollar Tree, I just love the way they look. They can be used to hang stuff on there like hair ruffles or pearls or ribbons, anything at all. So this is what I'm going to be using to attach it to the back. So I ran out of command strips, but this is similar to a command strip. And I got this from an item that I purchased some time ago. So that's what I'm going to be using to hang it on the wall also. This is what they look like. And these items are so versatile. You can use them and hang them however you like. Now I made another set of floral arrangements. Well, the same thing. But then I took tray and I cut out the size of the upper part and I glued it to the upper part. And then I used gems at the lower part just to give it a different look. This was how it looks, and I really love the way that I can choose between the black and the silver. Now let me know in the comment section below which of the two you prefer. Is it the black or the silver? And remember to like and share, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.